Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Ordinary stuff make you walk around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you. What can we just
I know y'all see the forehead, but anyways, it's fine. So I'm about to get ready to like get my hair done. I'm getting a wig and stuff for my freaking first day of school, period. Big senior. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to wash my hair because I'm in a rush. The hair growth, y'all. I know I'm kind of bald, but not really, you know. But yeah. So I'm about to wash my hair and then get ready and then go to the appointment. It's at 10:30. It's like 10 something. I need to hurry up. So I'll see y'all on the way. Bye. So I'm doing my hair. My room is a mess. Let's act like it's a perfect Malibu view. Anyways, I'm about to get ready to go. I wash my hair. It's like damaged, yo. It's like perm. Like, it's just crazy. I really have to go, but this is the hair. It's like a curly 13x4. I don't know what inch. What inch? 24 inch 13x4 curly whatever highlighted wig. Yeah, I have to go. I don't have time to like for real do
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm my main one? Are you blaming on me and you the red one?
Y'all, I just got back from my hair appointment and here it is, period. It went well, y'all. $80 install. Yeah, I don't know about, but well, I have to get my nails done maybe tomorrow, so I'll let you guys know. I will see you guys in the next part of the video. Y'all, today's Tuesday and I'm gonna get my nails done. But anyways, I'm also getting my toes done. I think I'll see how, because it's not an appointment, it's just a walk-in. I'm going to a salon because tell me how this girl that was supposed to do my nails, right? I sent the deposit and everything. She gonna say she forgot her nail brush at the salon that she works at. Okay, so I'm gonna get my nails done today. So I'm about to get ready and stuff. So yeah. So I just got out the shower and got dressed. I'm about to fix my hair. So y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I know I'm not gonna act like, you know, I haven't been active on my channel for like 2 to 3 months now. Like I didn't even post Like, I didn't even post one single video the whole summer. Like, be for real. BFFR, Christy, BFFR. But y'all, I'm trying. It's just, I'm thinking of doing like a life update video for you guys. But yeah, maybe it'll make sense when I drop this video, because y'all, a lot has been going on. Good stuff, bad stuff. But you know, I believe there's a good in every bad. That's my opinion. I don't know about y'all, but me personally, you know. But yeah, I'm not even gonna bother fixing these because yeah, it just has been a lot going on and everything. Do I need this? I don't think so. Hold on, let me just put like a little bit in the back of my hair. This lady used Curl Lava or something yesterday. I'm gonna get it because it smells so good and the curls be popping for real. But yeah, so I am done with my hair. What is going on? What's going on? Wagwan. I'm not Jamaican, but it's just I like this word, wagwan. But yeah. Anyways, I'm about to, cause my Uber, I'm supposed to leave at 1 because there's no one to take me to get my nails done. I'm getting an Uber. So yeah. But this is the hair and the face. Y'all, I don't wear makeup. I hate makeup. I do love eyelashes and stuff, but I don't know how to put them on myself. So I guess that's a no. But I have like a lot of eyelashes that I get from like hair companies and stuff. So I just moved to this area that I live in right now. This is my first time getting my nails done by this. It's a salon, but they referred me somebody. It's my first time going there and everything, so hopefully they do a good job, because they mess up, I'm gonna be mad. I'm a senior, big senior. Anyways, I thought I talked too much. Do I talk too much? Let me know down below, because if y'all want me to shut up, I'll shut up. But I hope they do like a very good job, because like, please don't piss me off, because if I'm paying my money to get something done, it better be done right. Like, better be. The reason why I've been filming in my bathroom is because the lighting is better in here. I moved from Florida to Jersey. Yeah. I miss my best friend. I miss my friends, my school, my teachers, even my principal, y'all. She was a good one. But yeah, the reason why I'm filming in my bathroom is because I haven't bought a ring light yet. So this lighting is just perfect. Like, for now, it's just perfect. So I'm gonna be using this like a little bit more now, because I'm gonna be using this right now because I haven't bought a ring light, and I want to get like a good one. I don't want to get just like any regular ring light. I want to get a good quality one that's gonna last and that does the job well. So let me know, do y'all like the hair? But yeah, big kiss for my fans, the rap fans, I don't know, for the people that are watching me. But yeah, so oh my gosh, and y'all, I hope I can record where I'm going, because yesterday when I was getting my hair done, I could barely record anything, and right now I was in this
get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my favorites. Still wanna try.
Alright, y'all, so I am back from getting my nails done. I did a lot of stuff. I literally forgot I was recording this video. But here is the set. You know, white short. And we got this little bling finger. But yeah, I love it. She did my nails. Like, she really loved the way she did my nails. She already ate down with these. I also got my toes done. They're like white, just regular white. I have school tomorrow, so I have to go to sleep. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.